Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, here we are at Castle Howard over near Malton. Absolutely beautiful day. So let's have a flaunch around. I've already seen a couple of cars we're going to go straight over to. Check the gorgeous, some really nice cars here. Look at this Jag. That's killer cool. I'd be racing that if I had that car. Killer cool. Right guys and girls, you know I'm a big fan of the old Range Rovers. Not the new ones because they're big barrels of shite. These are the ones to have. This is killer cool. The two-door. It's got the right spec. It's not diesel. It's got the proper 3.5 engine in it. Or maybe it's a 4.6. This Range Rover is killer cool, guys and girls. Very nice. Check the interior, full leather interior as well. Very nice. That's pretty cool as well. He's got a little picnic basket in the back. Check it out, guys. It's one of the stars of the show for me. Right guys, there's some really nice cars here at Castle Howard. I'm just going around the ones that I really like. I'm not going around every single car. So anyway, I've just seen this Datsun here. Winter. Let's check it out. That. I really like that colour, suits the car. It's killer cool. Oh, I'm a big Aston Martin fan. God, they're just sexy cars. They're killer. That looks killer cool in black. That's quite unusual. He'll be alright in the flood. There, check that out. The Amphi-Ranger. I've never seen one of them before. It's a bit windy today, guys and girls, so excuse the noise on the phone. That's pretty cool as well. That's pretty cool. Austin 1800, guys, the land crab. Well, I'm filming this for one particular reason. My late father went up to the street to get his packet of fags, and he came back with one of these cars. It was white, covered in rust, and he paid about 50 quid for it. That's from the past. Plenty of room in it. I remember as kids sat in the back of there. Funny. We're in gorgeous surroundings here at Castle Howard. If you've never been here before, I would fully recommend you come here for a lovely day. Especially when there's a classic car show on, guys. Just seen another really nice car I like. These two doors. Jags. It's like an olive green. It's pretty cool. XJC. Really like these Astons, the DBS. Nice colour as well. Killer cool. Right, you don't see many of these Ford Cortinas in the States. Beauty. 1600 GT.
Yeah, very easy to look after, very easy.
Check the 190 SL Mercedes out, guys.
Great fun to drive. I must own up to having a Nissan Power at one point. Yeah, and it was a 1 litre, and I think it was again it was 3 speed or so on it. But try and take it on the motorway, and it was breathless. And it had 4 seats in it.
That's killer
You
cool.
start putting people in the
So
seats.
I'm only going around the killer cool cars today. Now we have a killer cool E-Type. Oh, there's 3 windscreen wipers.
Yeah, the Power is the one to go for in terms of. Sorry, the Figaro is the one to go for in terms of a bit of power and usability. The Power, stay away from the
Porsche Carrera. This is pretty cool as well. Looks pretty cool in orange. You wouldn't think it would work, but it does on that car. It's roll cage down. It's pretty cool. Yep, there's another killer cool. There's another older Porsche. I think 70, I think. It's cool. Left-hand drive. Right guys, we've got a Porsche 1600 Super here. That's killer cool. Right guys, check this Ferrari Daytona out. Very nice. Right to you there. This is probably the best car of the show. Don't see many of them about. That's killer cool. Check this out. This is a proper engine. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got 6 carbs on it.
Just imagine setting those up.
Yeah, they are. There's 6 of them.
Special machine, don't you? That it's a friend of mine's car.
Right, guys and girls, it's been an absolutely fantastic time here at Castle Howard. But the 2 best cars, 1, the Ferrari Daytona for me, and 2, that gorgeous Range Rover 2-door. Just killer cool. But anyway, on that note, seat.